Umami means to me the combination of the right ingredients to create something that wasn't there before. My name is Nick Molyviatis. I'm the head chef at Kiln restaurant here in London. So we're gonna make our monkfish curry. The ingredients we're using are, first of all, monkfish, as you can see here. The monkfish liver, full of salinity and umami. Next to it is the shrimp paste. Then we have lemongrass and kaffir lime leaf. We have galangal and turmeric. Then we have the Thai shallots, we bring most of the body. And then we have white pepper for the background heat, dried chilies for the foreground heat. And it's a very rich and spicy dish we're gonna make right now. Alright, so we first cook our monkfish, which has been portioned already, and then cook it in a hot pan. And then when that cooks, we rest it above the fire. We rest above the fire, and then we'll make the curry, and then the monkfish will go inside that. In our curry, we also add galangal that has been cut in small matchstick pieces and kaffir lime leaf, and that makes a canvas that we build our curry on. All those ingredients that we saw before are pounded together into a paste. It's gonna cook here. And now we're layering all the flavors together. We have like fried curry paste. Now we need to add some stock. Which the stock actually has kombu and shiitake mushrooms inside, and that makes it high in savory flavors. And now the monkfish liver that we saw before, we have blended together with oil. We're gonna add the second layer of flavor into the curry. And now, when this has dried up, we add some palm sugar. This being a southern curry, normally it's very fiery and it has the sweetness element to enhance the flavor. But because we want to fit in our menu, make it a bit more bitter, and that's where the monkfish liver also comes in. Now that the curry is cooked, we add some stock. Today we're adding courgette to this. Just to give some crunch, so it's not like just the liquid lying on the bottom of the plate. So and that's the dish. That's it. In Thailand, they take all the fish guts, they ferment them, and then they use that liquid to season the food, which is like a fish sauce on steroids. That's Thai pla. And I saw this recipe and I said, monkfish liver. I'm like, okay. I was like, why not? Let's try it. And at the end, it happened. It was its own dish. It wasn't the Thai pla. It was something else. It was something new. I was surprised, but then once I found out what it is, everywhere I was looking at, I was finding umami, umami, umami.